reverse. When you are choosing the parking, you are going to park number 3, that one. You can count from number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, you try to face the first parking to the mirror door. Okay, then wait for signal, of course, put an R and turn fully left. Keep watching the mirror. Like that. When you see both sides straight, fix your steering straight. And that's it. And put it P, handbrake up. God bless you. There is another way how to park reverse. Also the steps are easy. First, check from the blind mode from here. Choose the parking and catch one line of the parking and just follow the mirror side. Okay. Put it in R. Try to turn your steering left. Keep going. Try to catch one line only of the parking, like that. When you see first line show up, turn your steering a little bit and then pull. And keep watching also from the mirror side, like that. When both sides straight, right, put your steering straight. Keep going and keep going slowly, back, then stop. Right? Put in the parking, handbrake up. That's it.